Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Rocio, and let's get into right to what you want to know, because if you see the title, you know that I'm going to talk about this baby right here. Before I go ahead and do that, before you do anything cavitation wise, make sure you read the precautions. I have a video with do's and don'ts about cavitation. The company that sent this over to me is MyCHWay. They also have their safety precautions that you do have to take serious. Now, it's been a while since I've spoken about anything cavitation, and if you see any of my other videos, you will see that homegirl looks a little bit different. Now, I got bariatric surgery about a year and a half ago, exactly till this day, about a year and 7 months ago. I've lost over 85 pounds. And if you follow me on any of my other social media pages, you see that I have no loose skin on my body. And mainly, I attribute it to cavitation. I've been doing cavitation since 2020, safely, of course, but that has also helped me to not have loose skin with such drastic weight loss. You know that that is something that is almost inevitable if you lose weight very quickly. Now, if you lose over 100 pounds or approximately that much, you will have loose skin. It's like almost inevitable, either on your belly, it could be on your thighs, or it could be on your arms. I am not a healthcare professional, but take this with a grain of salt that when you do cavitation on your body, you are going to reduce the likelihood of you having so much loose skin. Another thing that's super important that has helped me is drinking plenty of water, exercising regularly. You don't have to have a 7-day week routine. If you exercise at least 3 to 5 times a week, you're going to help yourself out tremendously. Skincare is another thing that has helped me personally. I sell this gel, which I make myself with organic based ingredients. It's vegan, sulfate free, paraben free. It's going to be super moisturizing on your skin. It's anti-inflammatory, anti-stretch marks. It helps to tighten your skin as well, and it also helps with collagen preservation. You can find this on my website, selflovesolutions.store. So when you do cavitation on your body or on someone else, if you do this as a business, this baby right here is going to give you such amazing results. The reviews that I have from so many of my clients are just fabulous. It's so amazing, and it warms my heart every single time somebody writes to me, DMs me, or anything of the nature. And it just makes me so happy that I actually put out a product that you guys love and that you guys have great result from, because ultimately that's what I was looking for when I was looking for an organic, natural, just an amazing gel that I couldn't find back in 2020. Now, I am the first one that has created this. Other companies, no tea, no shade, have tried to copy and they don't even come close, to be honest with you. But if you want it, I'm going to have it on my website. And right now I have it on sale, so check it out. Now, let's talk about this baby right here. Let's get into a couple of the things that I have been loving about this device, because I've been using it for about 3 months and I have been getting great results from it. And also, if you decide to purchase it, I do have a discount code. So I'm going to link everything in the description box. But the company that sent this over to me is MyCHWay. And again, I'm going to link everything down below in the description box. You'll get my discount code, which I'm going to put right here as well. You'll get the website that you can just go and buy it, or you can go straight to the website. I'm going to link it in the little shopping cart right down here, because now YouTube has that option, if you didn't know. So let's get into what I love about this device. Okay. First of all, this is the 6-in-1 device. What that means is that you can do not only cavitation, you can do your face, you can safely do your under eye, you can do your chin, and it also has the laser lipos right here. Okay, it also has the vacuum. I'm going to show you what all of that is. So let's get into the different probes that this device has. This has the cavitation one, which is this right over here. If you already know, you know. If you have the at home that I sell, or if you get it from anywhere else, this is mainly what you use. So this probe right here is the actual 40K probe. So you're going to do this on your belly. You could do this on your thighs. You could do this on your arms as well. Like just like I go over in another video as well, you can only do this every 3 days and max half an hour, no more than that, safely. Another probe that this one has is the vacuum. This one is also for the body. This is the RF device for the body. It has 6 little knobs in here. This one with the 4 knobs is the one for the face. So you could use this on your cheeks or you could use this on your double chin. This one also has the probe for the under eyes. So you could use the one with the 3 for the under eye, and it's going to help with that puffiness. Where you don't want to use this though is on your eyelids. This one also comes with 6 laser lipo pads, which look like this, and they get attached to this baby right here. With the laser lipo pads, you're going to want to use this band, okay? Now I brought you guys in a little bit closer because I want to show you the different functions of this device, which are very, very interesting. And although it does bring a user manual, sometimes we need a little bit of demonstration, right? So that's what we're here for. The device automatically turns on and it presets already to 30 minutes. Now you can definitely add more time to that, up to an hour in increments of 5 minutes. Or if you want to do it for less time, you could just reduce it as well. Now this one already presets to the 40K cavitation section. You can also change it by going to the function right here. And that'll change over to the vacuum and RF. Or if you want to change it to the body RF, which is the probe that has that 6 little knobs. Or if you want to change it to the face RF, you could do that as well. So forth and so on, to the eye or the LED laser. Now the LED laser, you can set it up to different levels. The levels you can adjust in this part right here. You can put the level up higher, all the way up to level 9. That's the max. So usually what you're going to want to do is start at the lowest level, start at 1 for at least 10 to 15 minutes, see how that works, and then you can build it up as you go. Now, if you want to use the Cavitation 40K probe, you can also adjust the levels on that as well. Always, always, always start at the lowest level and work your way up. Once you start using it on your body, you're going to hear like a buzzing sound. So start at the lowest level. And like I said, work your way up. So with the vacuum, you can also adjust the levels or the modes. You could go to mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, mode 4, or mode 5 with the vacuum. The body RF, it's something that you just keep it at that. You cannot change the modes. You can change the levels as well. You can change the levels on any of the probes, by the way. The device itself runs for about $300, this specific one. If you don't want the laser, it runs for about $200 approximately. Now, like I said, I do have codes available for discount. Now, I'm going to link them down in the description box so you guys can check those out and get your nice little discount. If there's do's and don'ts about this that you're going to want to take serious. However, when it comes to this device, the company does have their do's and don'ts and their precautions as well. The user manual also comes with that. When you use this machine, you're going to want to use a gel. Now, when it comes to this, I put my stamp of approval. MyCHWay is fabulous when it comes to their devices. The customer service is great. They do respond right away. So like I said, if you want it, everything is going to be in the description box. If you want to know more about this device, if you want to see a part 2 of this device where I use it on my body and I show you what I do, because I have been using it, like I said, for about 2.5 months now, and the results that I've gotten are absolutely amazing. I'll see you on the next one. And also follow all of my other social media pages because I'm going to keep you up to date. Again, make sure you like and follow me for more.